All right, YouTube, these are the current upgrades for the 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3. I added the 9-inch black Klockwerks windshield. It has the Harley Halo LED lights in the front. And I went on and installed the factory 47 12-inch bars with heated grips. And I changed the mirrors out to the double view mirrors so that I can see cars in the side view area. However, I'm gonna go with a different style, and I've ordered the Empire collection mirrors. And I've gone ahead and updated and changed out the foot controls. Those are the Empire collection forward or driver foot pads, as well as the brake pad, and also the Empire collection rear passenger foot pads or foot rest. I've added the Tabperformance exhaust. I have the custom dynamic lights with the strobe. I went on and added these side heat vents to keep the heat off your legs. I've added the Screaming Eagle Performance high airflow exhaust, air breather. On this side of the bike, same thing with the Empire collection foot controls to include the heel and toe shifter. This bike didn't come with the heel toe shifter, so for I think $50, you just go purchase this piece, and there's a washer that is already on here that comes off, and then you add your heel lever. But I added the Empire collection pads for those. I've also added the Harley-Davidson shifter linkage, and it already came with this plug to recharge your bike on the trickle charger. And I installed another cord for my heated gear, my heated suit. And I have ordered an Advan Black center console that looks just like the one on this Road Glide. I like them a lot. I like the look versus this bulkier console. I like how that looks. So I added one for this Road Glide. And I can't remember what else I've ordered, but there's some more stuff coming other than the mirrors. The rack. There's a rack that I ordered for the back. There's a lot of storage space in the trunk for the Road Glide 3. But once that's filled up, you can put a lot of stuff in there, but once it's filled up, you can put the rack on, and then you can have one of those Harley-Davidson luggages that you strap around there, or not. This is how the lights look when they're not on. And so far, that's it. Oh yeah, I changed out the speakers. I added Polk speakers in the front. If you want lower speakers, you have to add the lowers in the bar. Check out the YouTube page for Donnie Weberg. And on his Road Glide 3, he added the lowers, and you could add speakers that way. So, okay, YouTube, that's gonna do it for this episode of Chris Glides and Lowrides. Those are the Tabperformance